Hey, what's going on, everybody? So, we're just gonna open some stuff up today because, well, kind of dry in my area. I mean, went out on a hunt on Tuesday, came home with nothing. Went on a hunt today and did come home with this, which we'll take a closer look at. From the Jada 132 scale line, the pink slips, the 77 Firebird. There's just something about the color on this. It's debating between this one and that purple Mustang Boss 302. And then the paint on this one's like in between like a blue and a purple, and just this one does a little cooler. And it is only $8 at Walmart. So prices on these have gone back down. Still more than what they originally were, but they've gone down from what they were recently. And then we're also going to open up some of my cars from last week that I saw my Thursday haul video from last week. So some of the stuff I picked up then. I'm gonna go ahead and open these up. And let's go ahead and start with this one here on the Fast Wagons, which the other day I just did a brief little little informative video on this car. Volvo 850 Estate. Here it is opened up. It's got the right-hand drive on it. So you can see it right there. Yeah, so this car raced in the British Touring Company or something like that. So it's got this race deck on it. Oh, look at that. Look in the back. There's a spare wheel in the back right there. There we go. Cool. But yeah, and then this is also the first vehicle in the world to have side airbags. Yeah. Nice. Oh yeah, I hit a good number of stores today. I mean, Publix that I've had some luck at. I technically had some luck today because there was a treasure hunt there, but it's the chill mill, which I already have two of, so I left that behind. So I technically found a treasure hunt today, but I didn't pick it up. I already have two of them. That's not one that I need a third one of. So I did have some luck today. I just didn't pick it up. This is the Dollar General exclusive Subaru, which I do now have two of. The first one I had gotten off of Whatnot because I couldn't ever find this thing, and then randomly at my local Dollar General, they've kept getting this case in, and finally found one of these at least on the shelf. Still not the truck, of course, but hey. Oh, this is in black. It's a nice blue interior right in there. Right-hand drive. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, Leeway. Of course, that's one of the designers. Got the Hot Wheels logo back here. Gravel Crew 368. The little number on the car. There's nothing on the back. This is a metal wing back there. Got mirrors. And then this front end though. And the tires on the wheels on this with the red. Now that's really nice. And this front end, of course, with that right there. That looks really cool. Yeah. Awesome. Very nice. Cool. Very good roller too. Look at that. Nice. And there was a Dollar Tree that I generally only go to on days when I go do my laundry because it's down the road from the laundromat. They finally got in and restocked, but it was a B case from last year with some of last year's Dollar General exclusives in it because I saw the black Gemera there and the yellow Super Cub. Oh, that was interesting, I guess. Now we're going to open up this. It's neon speeders from the newest wave. I've only come across this once, and this was the last one that day when I found this, which is all good because this is one of the two that has the metal base on it. Oh, we got the BMW 2002 neon speeders. Awesome. 2002 on the back. Just the name of the casting, the name of the car, not the actual year it was made in. Saw someone posted one of their groups that they thought this was like the year or something. They thought it was like an error on the card. Some people tore it up in the comments for sure. Yeah, and then of course got the Walmart logo on the wheels. Got the BMW striping. Hot Wheels logo back here. Of course, we got the full deco. And then, if you didn't see that video from last week, look on the back on the neon speeders. They are officially considered Silver Series now. On the back of the card there. Awesome. Oh, see, got that nice metal base on this guy. This one's got some weight, of course, because of the metal on metal. Ooh, it looks like some paint just fell off. So we have some loose paint on it. Now it came off the bottom, it looks like. Interesting. Maybe anyways. And of course, these, if you have black light, it goes under that, which I do not have, so I can't really show you all that. But I'm sure someone's got a video of that somewhere on the tube. Now, let's open this guy up so we'll get a closer look at this awesome paint on this. And then I also did come across the newest Boulevard set, but each time I come across that, I am always a little too late. But usually I just only end up coming across the green Myers mix. But I have seen the Mustang, and then today I finally saw the Bugatti from that set, but I already got the Bugatti Chiron from the Hammer Drops, so I really need to recolor in black on that. Just really want the black and red Porsche from that set, really. Because I skipped on the one from the Hammer Drops in the yellow, which could have easily gotten a while back, but I skipped because I wanted the black and red one. Alright, so, okay, here we go. Here's the side opened up from. Oh, we got some more tape to get through. Alright. Okay, come on, let's slide out. Freaking, that's no way. Alright. Yeah. Alrighty, I brought the screwdriver out. I'm gonna unscrew this off the thing. Here we go. Alright. Cool. Let's get a closer look. Oh yeah, I wanted to see the backside, and I just can't see the backside in the package. There we go. Trans Am. Written up here. Nice. A little pink subs logo, and then a little where the license plate would be. Awesome. And then this one's not gonna have. Oh no, I guess. Oh, okay, the doors do open. Awesome. It's kind of hard to tell in the packaging if they did it or not, because usually these have a little piece of tape on the on this part right here. Yeah, this one. Yeah, nice. There's like no gap or anything. Very nice on the opening door on here. Almost didn't look like that had that feature on here on this one. Very cool. Let's see. It looks like there's a kind of like some detail on the side of the door there, kind of. Steering wheel. See, it's kind of laid back just a little bit. Awesome. There you go. View from the passenger seat. Man, very good job on the doors on that. Almost didn't look, man. Inside the package, it didn't even look like these came open. Like no gap at all. That is awesome. And of course, we got the Trans Am on the side right here. And then, yeah, look at got the gold rims on there. And there's just some striping right here. Same back there. And yeah, pretty good looking front end. Pontiac logo, of course. It's Pontiac right there. It's like painted lights on the front there. This one's on the back, looks like they're lensed. And of course, got the big old bird on the top of the hood there. Trans Am again right there. Top view. Man, yeah, there's color on this. Man, it's like from one angle it's like purple. If it's like another angle, it's kind of looks more like a blue. So it's pretty, man, really pretty, really nice. Yeah, sitting there, crouched down on looking at these on the shelf, trying to decide. And then I kept looking at this one, looking at the paint on it. So yep, I gotta grab this one. I want this one. Awesome, man. That's really nice. Of course, got the rubber tires on here. Awesome. Let's give it a little roll. This one rolls a little smoother than my Mazda one that I picked up a while back. Very nice. Man, this is really... Whew. Man, this is awesome. This one's really nice. Very cool. And then, anybody who's into snacking real quick, I brought this out to the table real quick. This limited edition Lay's Korean style fried chicken flavor. Very good. A little spicy, but very good. So, yeah, limited time. So, if you haven't tried this, go try to find those, pick that up. They're very good. But yeah, this is, man, this is awesome. So, yep. If you've been thinking about getting this one at all, definitely go for it. I mean, look at that. You can barely even tell that those doors open. That is awesome. Very cool. Whew. So don't spend this long looking at one of these on here. And that paint. I don't know if y'all can see it coming through on here. Kind of from the one direction it looks one way, and then another direction looks a different way. Man, freaking awesome. Alright, guys. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.